Any man you see in the music, I bleach out themselves, and I full up themselves, I be a tattoo, and I create be antics for us, me not trust them. Either them have a problem, or them have a tongue and throat problem. Me can't deal with them, me not want to see them.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
We put a one lock on me heart right now. Too much cut up and bruise and scar right now. Heart full of pain, want cry right now. Me a mates too dark, want fight right now. People no know love.
Now someone will probably wonder what or who it is FOOTA hype a bona fire upon this time around. Well, if you wonder, let me tell you no. The brother of dancehall artist Intense, who happens to be an artist himself who goes by the name Wasp, took to his social media recently doing this. Now the reason why him did that on Instagram live a shed tears is simply because him name get called upon some fishy argument and the rumors got to him, so him break down emotionally on live. I cannot speak on the legitimacy of those rumors or allegations, so me nah go there so none at all. But you know, FOOTA hype is a man where always burn out certain things and address certain things, so this opportunity would not pass him. Not only that, everybody did a blow up FOOTA hype Instagram and say, yo, FOOTA, what is your take on this one right here? So of course, FOOTA hype had to address it. But not only that, FOOTA hype took the opportunity as well for burn out Intense and the whole pants and the BATTY thing. Yeah, wanna remember this? See it here. Yeah, FOOTA hype used the opportunity for burn him out with that too. And here is what FOOTA had to say.
Any man you see in the music, I bleach out themselves, and I full up themselves, I be a tattoo, and I create be antics for us, me not trust them. Either them have a problem, or them have a tongue and throat problem. Me can't deal with them, me not want to see them. Me not want to see them. If you can't be real and natural and be a star, then you're a porn star. Either you be a dancehall star or you be a porn star. Nah, deal with that. And any one of them boys you see them pants way down on them knee and them batty out the door and 20 man walk behind them not straight neither. If my belt bust and my pants are drop and me uncomfortable, me have to stop and buy a belt. I take out my shoes lace and put them in my pants waist. Me can't do it, brother. Me can't do it. No, but brother, it don't feel good. It don't feel good. Let me see how it, yeah. I'm most uncomfortable thing.
No, brother.
No, and you walk free to and feel comfortable.
Yeah, I saw them kill the brother when they cross the road from liver up money. Man pants down and sit down, the man them bust and
and him a run and can't run.
licking them hand and him run and the pants drop and ground.
Trip him.
And the man them just walk over and give him everything. So
yeah.
The pants there wasting get to, you know.
Brother, the most uncomfortable thing. Aye, you see if I walk and I hold up my pants waist, brother, it uncomfortable can feel like handicap. One of my hand not free.
I saw the man him walk because no one pants drop down there, brother.
Yo.
No, sad.
Brother, me see one time me go and play and me never remember my belt. And my shoes lace me use time my pants waist, brother. After me can't do it, brother, me can't do it. But yo, some of the people take long to realize when me say the boy them shaky. You know wait to see something before you believe. Certain action you know, brother. Zine, certain action you know it's shaky. All dancers brother now, where I date trans guy and know a transgender and I date them still. And him alone, him brother not straight neither. Him brother not straight neither, you know. None of them not straight. I'm telling you that about 2 years ago. So them not straight. I don't think I joke me and make. No, everybody I come in my DM. Oh God, FOOTA, you got you know to go to man. Every time I want to know, I tell you not going like a bad mind, a bad mind. If I want to see certain man behavior, man, I know them not straight. But you want to make them continue to do them. They have artists who are friends about Lord the youth them. And some girl, Lord the youth them and Lord what? From you move shaky, you get burned off. I want to tell you. You see them all that drop song and nobody now look. People them know so them are sprat. People them know them shaky. And two people now have nothing to do really now. People they on them phone 24/7. So whether it's a good news or bad news or nasty news, people are looking at it. So you get views regardless. Views don't mean we like what we see. You see me? So some of them are run about views. Views don't mean nobody like what them see. They boy them as sprat. That's why them alright with it. Listen to me, Jeff. Now 2020, no real straight man no like them style. Just straight up. The year now have nothing to do with it. Even now, no straight man, not in a them style, brother. Remember say, you have enough straight guy we have tattoo, you know. But them no look so, that they got you. Them man them will shake it, tattoo look different. And them carry themselves different. Them look like when you drop chicken in a boiling water and left it for days. Peel and burn out and look like to blood. Yo. Mad man. Mad man, I want to hear, man. Telling you a long time. I just a matter of time before some of them secret bust out. And you see how the universe I take time let out them secret little by little. I'm there I watch. I'm there I sit down. I'm there I laugh. I watch you all out and blow up my DM. And I said, Jesus, I'm put oh you didn't know. Oh you didn't know what? I don't want glasses for sisters some man shaky man I want to know. Just the way some man talk and the way some man carry themselves, you have to ask if them lick front and lick bottom. And some boy, how they move alone, you know them I get plugged up. Yeah man, shaky.
Now me personally as a man still, me like to have my pants and my waist and my belt buckle, well buckle and tight still. Me don't know about some of you still. If you like to wear your pants like that still, start me in the comment section. The one them where I watch right now and like to wear the pants and that backside thing, you can just hit at the comment section and nobody comment. See it? Yeah. What is your take? Do you like your pants on your waist or not? Let me know in the comment section. See, and boy, I don't know still, oh, what's been the breakdown on social media? What's your take on that still, about the rumor thing? As an artist, you have a thick skin still, you know. When you're in the public eyes, you have a thick skin. You can't weak. You understand? Because all me, boy, I tell you, if you're not thick skin, you that's see me on social media, I cry sometime too. But I make certain things just roll off on my back. Watch out, man, people, the artist you right here, so him go by the name Stryka Dan. I want to give him some support. I want to check out him song because I make hear one little piece right in the intro, but this is another snippet right here, so.
Careful who you show love. Them heart full of hate, them no know love. That's why me no see them. Them only come around for where you can't get them. Yo, dollar me no know why. Them want you last my boss. Run bar for floss. Come a vex up true, you no get them.
Now me go tell you this, every single word where Stryka Dan I say in that song you connect a reality the man attack. You have some people around the way you just can't trust. I want to take an opportunity and click the link where you go in the description. It will bring you over to Stryka Dan Vivo page where you can go listen to the song in its entirety. See, when you go over there, you know, make sure say you give the artist a subscribe and give the video a like and a comment and make him know say Unstoppable send you over there. See, watch on man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, please, consider hitting the subscribe button. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.